Here we're having a look at the new JBL Flip 7. Very excited to have a look at this. The reason is we actually did the JBL Flip 6 previously and love that speaker. So today this is the black version. As you can see, it is just there. And it does look really beautiful. Standard JBL packaging as well. Now it's the first time we've opened this up. Again, IP68 with this again. And this is actually drop proof as well. So we're going to go into a bit more about how that works. And there's some accessories you can use. So let's pop it open and have a look at it. So let's take a look. So to start with, there's the new accessories it comes with. So you can basically clip into different accessories, whether you want to clip it onto your bag or onto your belt. I think that's a great idea. Makes it very easy to use. And again, lovely presentation as always with JBL. We'll just have a look what else comes in here. You've got the packet, so you've basically just got those. Yeah, you've got those you can clip onto it, which will show you guys how to use in a minute, and some instruction guides. Put that to the side, and look at that, here's the speaker. Now, doesn't that look beautiful? Again, lovely compact design, like we had previously with the JBL Flip 6. The JBL Flip 7 actually feels slightly lighter, which is great. So the speaker itself only weighs 580. The speaker itself feels quite light, and there's the controls on there. And there's a little label as well, you can hold it. So you can hold it there on your hand. The previous JBL Flip 6 didn't have this. Already it looks so much nicer. A couple of things to note about as well. So it's got IP68 waterproof and dust proof like last time. And it's also drop proof too, which means it can be dropped from 1.5 meters. Now they say not to test this out, but you can if you want. It's got Auracast built in as well. Now I'm going to go and see if it comes on. Took it out of the box and see if it actually turns on. So there you go, we're turning it on just there. Now it also has AI sound boost built in. So it's actually beefed up the bass and also the tweeter. So you got the bass and the tweeter coming out of there. So it gives clearer bass even at max volume and crops at crisp at high frequencies as well. So the AI boost actually analyzes your music and makes sure you get the best songs being played for you. Now it has 16 hours of playtime and extra 2 hours with the playtime boost. Multi-speaker connection through Auracast, which is great as well. Now they say drop 1 meter onto a concrete floor. Now I'm not going to go test that out in the reviews, guys, because obviously we want it to last. But it just shows some of the key features about it. Now look at that tweeter there as well. Isn't it beautiful? And it really is a beautiful piece of audio. Now that there's no lossless audio. So basically you can use it to plug into your laptop or other audio device. And it doesn't lose any audio as well when it's playing, which is another fantastic feature. Weighs about 500 grams and it does sound great. You can also use it with the JBL app as well to really customize the sound settings, which I'd suggest as well. This is made with recycled plastic and fabric as well. 77% post-consumer recycled plastic. So it doesn't film in there. You've got the lovely, it's a lovely fabric feel on there. It really is beautiful. So again, I love the JBL products, the Flip 6, and we can't wait to actually try this out and try it out in full. So I'm going to put that there and just bring back the box. So you've got, again, the Flip 6, these just flip into place. As I said, you open it up and so you can take this out and take the back here and it just literally clips out. So press that down, I think. Yep. And then press that in. So you can clip this to your belt, for example, if you want, which is very, very cool. And it just kind of clips. Let me get this right. Clips back in like that, see? Isn't that cool? A lovely speaker and very excited to start using this.
Hi there, welcome to MrYouWho Brasil. We created this version of the video just for viewers in Brazil to help you find the best real-world tech reviews. They're all tested by me, so you don't waste your money. You'll find Amazon links to everything we've tested in the description below as well. And we're also running a huge international giveaway this month. We've got over $4,000 in tech prizes to win. Yes, it's open in Brazil, so check the link below to enter. The more times you enter, the more chances to win, and put comments as well to get bonus entries. Let me know in comments what you'd like me to test next for Brazil. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews each and every week.